Alright guys, so I'm going to show you something that I'm working on to kind of make you, give you guys some, little bit of an edge. Now if you're using our Chrome extension and you haven't used it already and if you want to use it, you should definitely install it because if you notice we have a little robot head here. And you pretty much probably already know what we're doing here. Now I've only spent a couple hours on this, so hear me, this isn't exactly how it's going to work, but you just click on here and notice how the robot starts changing colors. What we'll do is we'll just, alright, so cool, copy to clipboard. Boom, just like that. It rewrote everything. Are you ready to take your business to the next level, to new heights? So now let's find a different heading. So let's say rich text. Rich text. Alright, let's change the rich text. Alright, so we'll do this. It's thinking, cool, copy the clipboard. Alright, that's a little ridiculous, but still, I'm still working on some things here, but as you can see, AI, beautiful stuff, cool stuff, right? And we'll see what it comes up with here. Are you in need of an innovative online business solution? Look no further because, yeah, so, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is just a concept, a proof of concept that I'm working on, so I'm really curious what you guys think. Thanks.